At number 5, we have the Shark NV360. This is our 5th ranked pick, but still excels with its powerful cyclonic suction technology that effectively captures fine dust and debris. This upright vacuum features a HEPA filtration system with Anti-Allergen Seal Technology, trapping 99.9% of particles inside the unit. The lift-away design allows the canister to detach from the base, transforming it into a portable vacuum for stairs and hard-to-reach areas. At 16 pounds, it offers smooth maneuverability through swivel steering and works well on both carpets and hard floors with its brush roll control feature. The vacuum includes basic attachments, a crevice tool and upholstery tool that store on board. While the 25-foot power cord provides good reach, the vacuum lacks height adjustment controls, which can make it challenging on deep pile carpets. The clear plastic construction feels adequate, though not premium, and the dust cup offers generous capacity for extended cleaning sessions. The brush roll tends to tangle with hair, requiring regular maintenance.